My chickens just love the fodder. I'm fixing to go feed the chickens their fodder. Do y'all want to go with me?
You want to go feed the chickens their fodder?
Is there yummy food? Look what we got, you guys. Look what we have for you. All right, let's get this thing off of here. Looks like we need to fill their water. You coming out or staying in?
I'm staying in.
Okay. Put a little apple cider vinegar. My chickens just love the fodder.
It's a fodder.
See okra growing right there?
What do okra taste like?
You know okra.
Coulson, where does the okra come from?
From home.
Oklahoma? We need to start a new fodder on this screen.